Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the Evil Monkey, and I am just checking in with you guys. I'm back from Rotor Riot. I've actually been back for about a couple weeks now, so I hope you have been enjoying the Rotor Riot footage that I've been putting out for you. I had a great time there. I got to meet so many of the Rotor Riot guys. I got to meet so many of you guys that actually came by the booth at the Hobby Mate charging booth and said hello to me, so that was awesome. I didn't know a lot of the names just because I have a lot of subscribers, so it's hard to keep up with everybody, but I appreciate each and every one of you guys that stopped by. That was so cool. And I did pass out FPV Evil Monkey stickers to everybody that did stop by, and I tossed out some Tiny Whoop stickers as well. So had an absolute awesome time in at Rotor Riot Rampage. I hope you guys have enjoyed all the videos that I've been putting out, and I hope you enjoyed the footage. I had a great time. I hope you enjoyed that funny video that I did yesterday. We were so exhausted on our way home from Rotor Riot Rampage, and I just happened to see a bando on the side of the road, and I forgot to put my props on, and the bugs were just swarming like crazy. It was hot, humid, tired, and I just gave up. I was like, you know what, I'm just done. I want to go home. So but we did have a great time at Rotor Riot Rampage. So I wanted to also, guys, give you a little bit of update of what's kind of been going on with the channel. So yeah, I think you've been noticing a little bit of subtle changes that I've made on like Facebook, on Instagram if you follow me there, on Twitter, also on the YouTube channel. So I have been doing subtle changes, and if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've said in the past that I'm going to be doing some changes, that I'm going to be basically converting the channel over to just my pilot. And the reason I'm doing that is it's a lot easier for me, as well as I think for the viewers as well, just so that way I mainly go by my pilot name now, and not a lot of people know me by Mike's Drones and More anymore. So I'm kind of converting everything over just to the pilot name. Now all my content, all my videos, all my pictures, everything will still be there. You guys will still be able to find all that information. So it's definitely there. So that's not a problem whatsoever. You know, I just wanted to kind of more fine tune it and kind of convert the channel into where my channel is going. So as the winter gets closer and closer here, I'm going to get less and less time outside, but I will try and definitely, guys, do some videos for you and some footage during the winter time. I'm definitely gonna try and get the Phantom out a couple times, because sometimes when it snows, it looks absolutely gorgeous when it first snows, and I would love to get some footage with the Phantom for you guys. Another couple of projects I am working on, probably in the next month or so here. So I'm working on a long range rig. So I'm probably going to be going with the FR Sky R9. I've been looking at that in the Crossfire, and I think I want to go with FR Sky just because I already have FR Sky controller. I don't have to do any mods to the controller. It plug and play, basically, really easy. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing for my long range, testing it, stuff like that. You know, it may not be very good. I may not like it at all, and I may end up going the other route, but who knows? You never know. So working on a long range so that way I can get some of that really cool mountain footage for you guys, especially in the wintertime when it is like snowing and stuff like that, or you know, after it's just snowed and it's not too cold outside, and I can actually get some really cool footage and get some freestyle stuff for you guys. So I'm definitely going to be working on that over the winter time for sure. You guys are probably already have noticed but there's going to be a lot more Tiny Whoop footage coming, just because in the winter time when we can't fly our 5 inches, we will fly the Tiny Whoop. We're also working on trying to secure a place for us to race micros. Micros are 2 and 3 inch racers, so hopefully we can secure a place or find a place where we can get in there and we can do some racing. I know they have one down in Aurora at what they call the Dome. It's an indoor, so I may have to go down there. Like, you know, it's about an hour's drive for me, but I think it'll be worth it. It'll be kind of cool. So yeah, so a lot of big things, a lot of changes are coming. I hope you guys enjoy everything. Again, it was awesome meeting every single one of you that came by the booth. It was awesome meeting everybody at Rotor Riot, making so many new friends and things like that. So thank you guys for watching this short video and update. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. If you like my channel, as always, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for me, guys. We're getting and inching closer and closer to 5,000 subscribers. At 5,000 subscribers, I want to do a really good giveaway. So I'm going to be trying working with some companies locally. I don't know what I'm going to be giving away yet or anything like that, but as we inch closer, I'll let you guys know. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will catch you later. Talk to you later.